In the 2018 Explorer. You've got a lot of capabilities to call on in a Ford Explorer. Don't underestimate your choices and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, power liftgate, brake assist, fog lights, four-wheel disc brakes, navigation system, heated steering wheel, low tire pressure warning, tachometer, passenger vanity mirror. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.